Yeah.
27-year-old Burak Özdemir dreamed of becoming a famous football player as a teenager and did not even think about a career as a cook. But fate decreed otherwise. The guy became famous throughout the world precisely thanks to the culinary arts. Today, Ozdemir is considered one of the richest chefs on the internet. Only Instagram brings him tens of thousands of dollars, and world-class stars are happy to drop into his signature restaurant. Watch this video until the end to find out what difficulties he had to go through to gain world fame. If you sat down any dish prepared by beetroot, put like and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Burak Özdemir, a 26-year-old Turkish chef, is a restaurateur in Istanbul. Burak followed in the footsteps of his father and mother, who own several restaurants in Turkey. But in a couple of years, his son became much more popular than his parents. Ozdemir became famous in social networks as CZN Burak. Thanks to cooking videos, his craving for gigantism and a signature smile became his chips. By March 2020, he had almost 15 million followers on Instagram. Now he has more than 20 million followers. He also mastered the new social network TikTok, where he already has more than 33 million followers. Burak is included in the top 50 most popular TikTok bloggers, and in 2019, service representatives presented him with the Producer of the Year award in Turkey. Ozdemir is not limited to social networks. In a year, he has become extremely popular and offline. Now they come to him for dinner. Russian fighter Khabib Nurmagomedov and Turkish President Recep Erdogan. The chef meets all guests personally, prepared specialties for them. But the Turk does not forget about the internet. Classic Ozdemir's videos remain unchanged. Huge dishes, huge kitchen appliances, a constant smile and a look directly into the camera. While watching beetroot videos, my mouth watered from the Turkish chef's dishes, so I decided to introduce you to his culinary creativity. But I warn you before watch the video next, go to lunch, and if you eat then bon appetit.
Yeah.
Initially, the beetroot did not think about cooking at all. Like most boys, he loved to play football and dreamed of becoming a famous football player. But at the age of 13, due to the difficult financial situation in the family, he was forced to go to work. The beetroot parents had their own restaurant there. The guy began to earn extra money and gain culinary experience. But the love for national Turkish cuisine, with its delicious pilaf and the famous kebab, Ozdemir was brought by his grandfather and grandmother, who had their own small slaughterhouse. In 2009, his father sent beetroot to the suburb of Istanbul Aksaray, where a great responsibility fell on the shoulders of a 16-year-old guy. He was instructed to open a new branch of the family business. Ozdemir recalled that initially almost no one believed in him. They told me that my father opened this place and I would not be able to manage it, but it was really my home, and not just a business. Then I told every employee from the cook to the waiters that this is our place, not mine. Thanks to this we managed. I took my father as an example and followed in his footsteps. The family restaurant led by a young restaurateur was popular, but it was not much different from many other establishments of the same type. Then the guy came up with the idea. He decided to take a chance and start creating a dish of gigantic size. So the rumor is a cook who cooks scrambled eggs from 2 ostrich eggs at once, meter lula kebab and burger, which is more like a wedding cake, spread throughout the country. The business became so successful that a few years later Burak decided to move to Istanbul and open a new one in the city center, and most importantly, his own restaurant Hatay Medeniyetler Sofrası. The name of the institution was not chosen by chance. The first word Hatay is an area in the south of Turkey. It is from there that the Burak family comes from. Today this institution is wildly popular not only among the local population but also among tourists from all over the world. There are several restaurants of this chain in Istanbul, and Ozdemir plans to open new ones. Establishments, but already in the Middle East, Ozdemir restaurants are famous not so much for their gigantic portions as for their varied presentation. There are more than 150 dishes on the menu and each of them has an individual serving. Burak Özdemir publishes original culinary masterpieces on his social networks on YouTube. Instagram and TikTok, he has turned from an ordinary chef not only into a real culinary art professional, but also into a star of social networks. Guests from all over the world come to the Turkish restaurant, including celebrities including the American hip-hop singer and Iggy Azalea, as I said earlier, the Russian fighter Khabib Nurmagomedov, the Brazilian football player Ronaldinho and many others. That charity occupies a special place in the life of a chef-restaurateur. Burak Özdemir visits nursing homes, shelters for the disadvantaged, hospitals and orphanages with his team, where he arranges for the wards of these institutions real shows and masterclasses with food tasting and, of course, gifts. It is worth noting that not everyone likes a smiling chef. Some people think that pretense is hidden behind his smile, and all his actions are a successful PR for his establishment. And how do you feel about the activities of Burak Özdemir? Do you like this chef and would you like to visit his restaurant? Or maybe you have already been? Write in the comments. If you liked the video, put like, subscribe to the channel, we are interested. Have a nice day, everyone.
Yeah.